In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set column width in Excel. If you want your spreadsheet to look cleaner and be easier to read, adjusting the width of a column is a very useful skill. Sometimes text gets cut off, numbers don't display properly, or a column simply looks too wide or too narrow for the data inside it. Manually setting the column width gives you more control over how your worksheet is organized. To begin, click the column you want to adjust. You can do that by selecting the column header at the top of the spreadsheet where the letters appear. Make sure you're clicking the letter for the column, not just one individual cell, because this tells Excel that you want to apply the change to the entire column. Once the column is selected, right-click on it. This opens a shortcut menu with several options related to that column. Using the right-click menu is one of the easiest ways to access formatting and layout tools in Excel, especially if you want a quick, direct method. From the menu, click on Column Width. This will open a small dialog box where you can enter a specific value. This option is helpful when you want a precise width instead of dragging the edge of the column manually. It's especially useful if you're trying to keep multiple columns consistent or if you're formatting a worksheet for presentation or printing. Now, in the field that appears, type the column width value you want to use and then click OK. As soon as you confirm, Excel will apply that width to the selected column. If the result doesn't look quite right, you can repeat the same process and enter a different value until the column fits your content the way you want. A good tip here is to think about the kind of data that will go into the column before choosing the width. For example, short values like dates or small numbers usually need less space, while longer text entries may require a wider column. Setting a deliberate width can make your worksheet much more professional and easier to scan. And that's all it takes to set column width in Excel. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in the overall appearance and usability of your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.